Today we are going to learn what is SI unit of the different various formula. SI unit and dimensional formula. Both I am going to discuss here. What I am going to tell you what is a quantity, and here I am going to tell you what is a formula and SI unit dimensional formula. If you like my channel, please subscribe. First one, area. Area is equal to length into breadth. So area formula will be, we can take it as a length into breadth. The length unit we can take it as a meter, breadth unit is a meter, so we'll get as a meter into meter, we'll get meter square. The SI unit of the area will be meter square. Dimensional formula. So dimensional formula, you should know it is a mass. We have to take it the dimensional formula for the mass. It is m. So unit of the mass will be kg. Length, we are going to take it as a dimensional formula is L, unit will be meter. Time, the dimensional formula we are going to take it as a capital T and unit will be second. Okay, so these are the unit we are going to consider. First thing, here it is a meter square, it is going to represent as a length. So length, meter is a length, so because of the length we will get as a L square. The second thing, it is a volume. So volume is going to be a, volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So length, breadth, height. So length, breadth, height, everything we can measure in a meter. So meter into meter into meter, we'll get as a meter square. So dimensional formula we will get as a L square, because L, it's a length representation, we'll get as a L square. The next thing, density. Density, the symbol we can take it as a density like this. Density is equal to mass per unit volume. So mass is the unit of kg, volume is the length into breadth into height, which one is going to be a it's a meter cube. Okay, because of the length into breadth into height, meter will get as a meter cube. So from denominator I am taken as a meter as a numerator, so kg meter minus 3. Dimensional formula, already I said it is a mass kg, we can write as a dimensional formula as a m. Length we can write as a dimension formula L, time we can write as a T. Okay, so see here we got as the mass and length. So it is a mass is a m, length is the L, mass power 1, L power minus 3. The next unit. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Okay, the next thing, acceleration, velocity. V is a symbol of velocity. Velocity is equal to displacement by time. So velocity is the displacement by time. So displacement unit is a meter, time unit is a second. If you are taken from denominator to numerator, you will get it as a meter, second minus 1. What about the dimensional formula? M we can write as a L, time we can write as a T, so T minus 1. The dimensional formula for the velocity is LT minus 1. The next thing is the acceleration. Acceleration is equal to velocity by time. So velocity already we know it is displacement by time. So velocity is a displacement by time by time. So displacement by time square will get. Okay, so displacement unit will be meter, time square unit, time unit is a second, because of the time into time, product of time, time square will get, so second square. From denominator if you are taken as a second as a numerator, meter second minus 2. The dimensional formula for m, we are going to take it as a dimensional formula as a L. T is a time, we are going to take it as a T. T power minus 2 is there, length power 1 only is there. Acceleration LT minus 2. So acceleration we learned. Okay, the next thing we are going to learn as a force. So force is equal to mass into acceleration. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. The formula will be mass into acceleration. Okay, mass unit is the kg. Acceleration is a velocity by time, meter by second square. Acceleration unit already we learned, meter by second square. From denominator if you are taken as a numerator, we will get as a kg meter second minus 2. It is a final unit. Okay, now dimensional formula. For mass we can take it as a m, length we can take it as a L. So m L T minus 2, because mass is m, length is L, time is T, T minus 2, m L T minus 2. The force SI unit will be kg meter second minus 2. Dimensional formula m L T minus 2. The next thing, energy. Okay, so we'll take it as a energy. Energy is equal to force into displacement. Okay, Force unit we can take it Newton. This everything we can call, the other word we can call it is a Newton. The force unit we can take it as Newton. Displacement unit is a meter. So as we know, Newton is a kg meter second minus 2. Kg meter second minus 2 into meter. So because force into displacement, meter will get as a meter square. So we'll get kg meter square second minus 2. Now the dimensional formula, okay, for kg we can write as m, length we can take it as L, time we can take it as t. So m L square t minus 2. We got dimensional formula for the energy. Okay, the next thing, power. Power is equal to energy by time. So power is equal to energy by time. Energy, other term we can call it is a joules by seconds. Okay. So otherwise totally you can call power as a watt. Watt is equal to joule second minus 1. What is a joule? Joule is the force into, for energy is equal to force into displacement. Recently we learned energy is equal to force into displacement. So it is Newton meter second minus 1. What is a Newton? Newton is a force unit, which one already we know, kg meter second minus 2 into meter second minus 1. Meter will get meter square. So kg meter square second minus 3. Second minus 3. So we'll get as a dimensional formula for kg m, length L, L square, time is t minus 3. So this is a dimensional formula for the power. Okay. The next thing, momentum, torque, we are going to learn many formulas for the SI unit and dimensional formula. Okay. The next thing I am going to tell you, momentum. So momentum symbol we can take it as some p. Momentum is equal to mass into velocity. Mass unit is a kg. Velocity unit is a displacement by time, meter by second. From denominator, if you are taken a second as a numerator, kg meter second minus 1. The dimensional formula m L t minus 2. We got the dimensional formula for the momentum. The other term, I am going to measure what is a torque. Torque symbol we can call like this. So it is a torque is equal to force into displacement. Force unit is a Newton, displacement unit is a meter. So we can write as a Newton meter. The other term of Newton we can call it kg meter second minus 2 into meter. So we'll get kg meter square second minus 2. The dimensional formula m L square t minus 2. The dimensional formula for the torque. Okay. Now the another thing, pressure. Pressure is equal to force per unit area. Force unit is a Newton, area unit is a meter square, length into breadth meter square. So Newton is a kg meter second minus 2 divided by meter square. Meter square. 1 meter is getting cancelled. From denominator I am taken as this meter as a numerator. So kg meter minus 1 second minus 2. Now dimensional formula m L minus 1 t minus 2. I got what is the pressure dimensional formula. Okay, and SI unit also. The next thing, it is a frequency. So it's very simple. Frequency is equal to 1 divided by time period. It is 1 divided by second. From denominator, if you are taken second as a numerator, second inverse or hertz we can take it. So this unit dimensional formula we can write as a t minus 1. It is a SI unit, it is a dimensional formula. Okay. The next thing, charge is equal to, Q is a charge. Charge is equal to current into time. The unit of current is ampere. Time is second. Dimensional formula. Okay. Dimensional formula we know here only time is there t. Current you can take it as ampere, m power 1, a power 1. So I am introducing the new thing. For current you can write as a dimensional formula as a. Okay. The next thing, voltage. Voltage is equal to potential. Potential is equal to work done by charge. Voltage is equal to work done by charge. Already we know work done is a joule, charge is a coulombs, joule per coulombs. Joule we can write as a Newton meter by coulombs. So Newton we can write as a kg meter second minus 2 into meter by coulombs. Meter will get as a meter square. So kg meter square second minus 2 divided by coulombs. Instead of writing coulomb doesn't have dimensional formula. So I am changing coulombs as a current into time. So ampere into second. From denominator, if you are taken this as a numerator, we will get as a kg meter square. So the unit will be, this unit will be kg meter square second minus 2. From denominator, if you are taken as numerator, a minus 1 second minus 1. So this unit kg meter square second minus 3 a minus 1, because from denominator if you are taken as numerator, plus is going to change as the minus 1. Okay, now dimensional formula for mass m, length L, time t, current A. Okay, so time is minus 3, length is 2, current is minus 1. Okay, so we got dimensional formula for voltage, or we can take it as a potential difference, electromotive force, and EMF. Everything is the same unit. Dimensional formula m L square t minus 2 a power minus 1. Okay, this is a dimensional formula for the potential. The next thing, resistance. Resistance is equal to volt by current. So V is equal to IR, R is equal to V by I. V is equal to IR, R is equal to V by I. So we have the unit kg meter square second minus 3 ampere inverse divided by current, we know ampere. From denominator, if you are taken ampere as a numerator, we will get kg meter square second minus 3 ampere minus 1. Its plus 1 is going to change as a minus 1. So minus 1 will get as a minus 2. So kg meter square second minus 3 ampere minus 1. So the dimensional formula for kg m, length is L, time is t, current is A. So 1, 2, minus 3, minus 1. We got the dimensional formula for the electric resistance. Electric power. Power is equal to VI, voltage into current. So the product of voltage into current, so volt into ampere we can write. Okay, already we found what is the volt dimensional formula. So volt dimensional formula is SI unit is a kg meter square second minus 2 ampere inverse. So it's the same thing, kg meter square second minus 3 second minus 3 ampere inverse. This is the voltage and into ampere. So plus ampere. So this getting cancelled. Okay, so we'll get kg meter square second minus 3. It is a electrical power SI unit. The same thing, dimensional formula, it is m L square t minus 3. I got dimensional formula also for the electric power. Normal power already we know, energy by time. So energy is kg meter square second minus 2 divided by second. From denominator, if you are taken a second as a numerator, second minus 3 will get. So kg meter square second minus 3. So m L square t minus 3. This power, electric power or power, both will be the same. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you everyone.